probably noticed how popular talking animation avatars have become these days. Many creators use these avatars to produce incredible content without showing their faces. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an amazing talking avatar for free. So let's dive in. Step 1. Generating the avatar image. First, we need a prompt to generate the image. Here's an example. Create an anime-friendly male business character who appears handsome and smart. He has a well-defined face and a black hoodie. The character is sitting behind his laptop in an office with his arms on the desk. The character is front-facing, looking straight into the camera. This is a central portrait with an audio microphone on the desk near his mouth. The character's face should occupy about 1/3 of the image. He is sitting upright, centered, and facing forward. The image should be in 8K resolution. You can customize this prompt however you like. For example, you can change the hoodie's color, the setting, such as a studio, room, or any location you prefer. Or even add something to the background, like a YouTube logo. To create the image, I'll use Bing AI Image Creator. Simply go to Google and search for Bing AI Image Creator. Click on the first link, log into your Microsoft account, and paste the prompt into the prompt box. Hit Create, and it will take a few seconds to generate 4 images. Choose the one you like best. Since the images are generated in square format and we need a landscape format, you can resize them. Click on the resize option, select landscape, and download the adjusted image to your device. Step 2. Enhancing the image. After generating the image, the next step is enhancing it. For this, I'll use Canva Image Upscaler. Start by going to Canva and selecting the custom size option. Set the dimensions to 1080 by 720 and click Create. Upload your image to Canva. Then navigate to the left sidebar and click on Apps. Search for Image Enhancement. Upload your image and enhance it up to 4x for the best quality. Once the enhancement is complete, click Add to Design. Adjust the shape or size if needed. And then download the final image to your device. Step 3. Animating the avatar. Now it's time to animate the avatar. For this, we'll use DubDub. Search for DubDub on your browser and log in to the platform. Navigate to the AI Avatar section, where you can upload the enhanced image you've created or choose from their available options. DubDub also allows you to select audio directly or upload your own by clicking the Upload option. After finalizing the setup, click on Generate AI Avatar and hit Generate again. The platform will produce a talking animation avatar for you, which you can then download. Step 4. Removing the watermark. If your talking avatar video has a watermark, you can remove it using a video editing tool. Simply upload the talking avatar video along with the character image into the editing timeline. Then, crop the image size so that it covers the watermark. Once you've done this, you'll have a fully functional, watermark-free animated avatar. And there you have it. Now you're ready to create amazing content with your talking animation avatar. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next one.